let's look at this problem that's presented on the board. At least one light. The way I tend to do any problem, if I have 4 variables, I'm going to read the problem and then break it down. I'm going to list the variables on the side. So first thing I'm going to look for is maybe delta T or Q or M or SH. So let me look for delta T. It says it goes from 25 to 29.4. So what is delta T? Delta T is going to be, in this case, what is the final value? 29.4 minus initial. Okay, it's always, delta T is always equal to final minus initial. So this is 29.4 minus 25.0. That is 4.4. Do I need to put that in my calculator, or that's right?
Yeah,
Final.
final.
Just seeing if y'all are awake. 2 of you are awake. So that's 4.4, right? Delta T is 4.4. What's my mass? Is it given in the problem? I saw it before. You see it? It's 1.5 times 10 to the second, right? So if you need to, you can convert it to a whole number rather than scientific, just 150. Isn't that 150? Okay. And since they want to stress 3 significant figures, I'm going to do 150 point, just to make sure that we know it's 3 sig figs. But mass is 150. That's grams. Do they have SH listed for the solution? 1 calorie per gram. You see that? This is Celsius. This is 1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius. So the gram is going to cancel out, and the Celsius is going to cancel out. So my answer is going to be in calories. Q is heat in calories. See that? Okay. So it's 660 calories, or 6.6 times 10 to the 2. Why do you think they reported 6.6 rather than 6.60 here? Why is this 2 sig figs instead of 3 sig figs? Anybody? When you started up there, everything had 3 sig figs. So why isn't this 3 sig figs? Why isn't it 6.60?
The moles is in 2 sig.
The moles? Which?
Like 0.10. That's 2 sig.
Yeah, but I didn't use the moles in this calculation, right?
Oh, the degrees and change.
When you did your delta T, when you subtract these 2, you got 2 sig figs. And then you use this answer in your calculation here. So that's why it dropped to 2 sig figs. Back in chapter 2, I told you, don't worry about the sig figs on the temperature that much because it drives people nuts. So, it's another case where the temperature can mess you up with your sig figs. Don't lose sleep on it. If you get 6.6, I'll be pleased. If you got 6.60, I'll be pleased. You got 6.9, in trouble.
Alright, they changed it, to, scientific notation.
It's just a choice in this case, because if they did 150, they would have to put a period there. 150 point. You just chose to write it in scientific notation. So, in this case, this is a positive value, meaning that heat was given off. That's how you'll read it. This was an exothermic reaction. Doing T final minus T initial is very important in this type of calculation. If you did it backwards, you'll get a negative number here and report a negative, which would be wrong. So this reaction is exothermic. Do this calculation for me, each person independently. Do this one